I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off silent mode on an iPhone 16 or newer device. Step 1. First, locate the Action button along the left edge of your iPhone 16. The Action button is located directly above the Volume Up button. Step 2. Press the Action button twice in succession on your iPhone. Your iPhone screen will dim and you'll see a message next to the Action button telling you to hold it down if you want to switch to ring mode. Step 3. Hold down the Action button. You'll feel a small vibration and you'll see a white bell and the word ring at the top of your screen around the dynamic island. Ring mode will be enabled on your iPhone going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.